y'all, so really exciting day today on the little mini backyard farm. I got 12 bucket systems completed and finished. I'm gonna be filling them up today. And then I also have, this is what's really exciting, a 300-gallon cold water tank that was used for, I think she said coconut milk. She makes soap. She's been making soap for 18 years, getting that delivered. That's gonna go all the way on the end. That's gonna be one of my biggest systems. Realistically, what I'm really trying to do now is I'm trying to see how sustainable it is to do bigger ones in the summer, right? How long is it going to take for that water source to deplete? So that way, if I do buy land now, can I put 10, 15, 20 of those on and leave them there for 2 weeks? Or is it just like these, they need to be filled up at least twice a week in the summer and once every 2 weeks in the winter? But yeah, this is exciting. 12 systems out of, oh boy, out of 200. So altogether with these ones back here too, I'm kind of at, what, 36 plus 12 is?
48.
Math. 48. So 48 out of 200, so about 150 left. That's not a lot. And I got some buckets in the garage. I have some buckets right there that I'm gonna be utilizing and putting up here pretty soon, probably in the next couple minutes. But yeah, let's get started. So just with any kind of dirt, any kind of soil, especially when it comes in bags like this, I know I'm trying to recycle. It's been so difficult to find potting mix that's not in bags. This is the cheapest solution, but also most dumps, most rock and sand places, they don't have potting soil. They say it's potting soil. Really what it is, it's a garden mix. There's no peat moss, there's no perlite, there's nothing in there that's going to help. These systems are only functional if you have a really fluffy substrate. I'm thinking of aquascape substrate, a really fluffy dirt. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, if you guys have any ideas of what I can do with these bags to repurpose them, put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear that. It really like hurts me to buy, 4 bags of plastic. Yeah, I recycled all of this, but like the reality is I'm still producing waste. Not a fan of it. It's a one-time waste production. But yeah, any ideas, put it down in the comments. And then second thing, when you're filling up anything, whenever you're using dirt, always wear a mask. I don't remember exactly what the diseases are called, but if you get dry dirt in your lungs, it can cause major problems for you. So I always wear my respirator, always. I've had issues in the past where I didn't wear a respirator while I was staining fences, and it's caused major problems that I'm probably gonna have to live with for the rest of my life. So always wear a mask, put a shirt over your face, wet it, do something so you just don't get dry dirt in your lungs. Okay. Let's get started. So these aren't the healthiest plants. I started these maybe about a month ago. These are just some spinaches. They're probably gonna die in all honesty, but we're gonna try to put them in here, see what happens. It's not really planting season for spinach. This is more or less just because I have them. I'm actually gonna put a little mini greenhouse with a recycled like 2-liter bottle over them and see if that helps at all. They're already looking pretty bad, but yeah, it's as easy as this. Just take dirt out, and you just plant it like you'd plant anything else. I like having the pots close to each other. Oh, that's fire ants. Yeah. I shouldn't have put them in here. Oh boy. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Get a little fire ant colony going. I'm actually gonna kind of cover them a little bit. It is what it is, as long as they're not on me.
Put some poison in there.
No.
Why?
Because we're organic. Well, not completely organic, but we're as organic as it gets. I don't like using poison either. I'll just put some molasses. Apparently that helps. Just kind of cover them a little bit. Not too much. Yeah, I'm not expecting these to make it, but we will see. I've been pretty surprised with these buckets. I've gotten a lot of plants to come back from the dead with these, specifically my elderberries. I literally had termites in them, so I had to pull them out, get all the dirt off of them. They were out in the sun. It was like 105 out that day, completely dead. Put them in one of these buckets, looked like it's died. I mean, elderberries are pretty resilient, but they came back within like 3 weeks, and they were bigger than they were before, so that's pretty cool. I like these buckets a lot. So stay tuned. If you're liking these videos, subscribe, shoot me a little like, smash that like button, and stay tuned, because we're about to have a pretty big project coming up soon, so have a good one, y'all.